Claude Cowork is the only $20 monthly subscription I've found that actually feels like hiring a human assistant.
This tool runs entirely on your desktop, and that's exactly what makes it so powerful.
And the context file template's ready to fill in. You can grab it in the description below. Cowork only runs inside the Claude desktop app. You can't use it in the browser or on your phone. So the first step is to download it from claude.com/download and make sure you're on the latest version. You'll need a paid Claude plan to access Cowork.
You can't use it in your browser. You can't use it on your phone. It lives only on your computer because it needs direct access to your files to actually work. The entry point is a simple paid plan, and that unlocks everything you're about to see.
Pro at $17 a month gives you full access to everything I'm about to show you, and Max at $100 a month gives you about 5 times the usage if you're running heavy tasks throughout the day. I'd start with Pro and only upgrade if you're consistently hitting the usage limits. Once you're inside the desktop app, switch over to the Cowork section.
But downloading the app is just step one, because where you put your files next is what determines whether this thing works like magic or like a broken calculator.
Project. I'm going to create a new folder called Claude Workspace, and this is where everything lives from now on. Claude can read, write, and edit any file inside this folder and its subfolders, but it can't touch anything outside of it. That isolation is by design, and it's one of the reasons Cowork feels safer than tools like OpenClaw that get full system access. One tip when you're first getting started, keep duplicates of any files you care about in a separate folder.
Inside the app, you create a workspace folder. That's where your AI lives. It can read, write, and edit anything inside that folder, and nothing outside it. Think of it like giving your assistant their own office. 3 subfolders, one for instructions, one for active work, one for finished deliverables.
Just in case something gets edited or deleted by mistake. Cowork will ask for confirmation before deleting anything, but it's worth having that safety net while you're learning how it works. Now I want to set up a clean structure from the start because this is what makes every future task faster. I'll ask Cowork to create 3 subfolders: context for my standing instructions, projects for active work, and outputs for everything Claude delivers. And inside the context folder, I want 3 markdown files that Cowork reads every time.
But an empty office means nothing. The next step is where you give your assistant a brain, a voice, and a personality.
The first is about me.md, which covers who I am, what I do, and what my current priorities are. The second is brand-voice.md, which explains how I write, what tone I use, and which phrases to avoid. And the third is working-preferences.md, which tells Cowork how I want tasks handled, where to save files, and how to structure deliverables. I'll ask Cowork to help me fill these out, and it'll ask me a series of questions to get the information it needs.
You create 3 simple text files inside your context folder. One explains who you are. One explains how you write. One explains how you want tasks handled. Your AI reads these files before every single task, automatically. No more explaining yourself from scratch every session.
Once those files exist, every new task Cowork runs will pick up that context automatically. It knows my role, my voice, and my preferences before I've typed a single word. And this is the part that gets skipped the most, but it's what separates Cowork giving you generic output and giving you output that actually sounds like you wrote it. Without these files, every session starts from 0. With them, every session starts from exactly where you left off. The last thing to configure is global instructions. I'll go to Settings, then Cowork, and add a line that tells Claude to always read the context files before starting any.
Now your assistant knows you, but it still can't see your emails, your calendar, or your apps. That changes in the next step.
Into the apps I actually use every day, and that's what connectors make possible. Connectors are how Cowork talks to apps outside your computer. Things like Gmail, Google Calendar, Slack, Google Drive, Notion, and over 30 more. They all use a protocol called MCP, which basically creates a secure bridge between Claude and each app. I'll go to Settings, then Connectors, and click Browse Connectors. The first one I want is Gmail. I'll authenticate with my Google account, and then I get a permission screen where I can choose exactly what Cowork is allowed to do.
Connectors let your AI reach into the tools you already use every day. Email, calendar, cloud storage, project management tools. Over 30 apps available right now. You authenticate once, set your permissions, and your AI can pull information from multiple sources and deliver a finished result in minutes.
I'll set read emails to always allow and draft emails to always allow, and then I'll go through the rest of the permissions and adjust them based on what I'm comfortable with. Then I'll add Google Calendar the same way. Now I have both connected, and I want to show you what that actually looks like in practice. I'll give Cowork a task that pulls from both apps at once. And Cowork goes into Gmail, finds the relevant emails, cross-references my calendar for upcoming meetings, and builds a one-page prep document that's sitting in my outputs folder about 2 minutes later.
But doing this manually every time would still waste your time. So the next step is how you turn any task into a one-click workflow you never have to explain again.
You turn any task Cowork has already done into a repeatable workflow that runs with a single command. And the best way to create a new skill is to do the work first and then turn it into a skill after. Instead of trying to describe a workflow from scratch or downloading something pre-built, you complete a real task, get the result you want, and then tell Cowork to package that exact process into something repeatable. That's what I'm going to do with the extracted meeting notes from the start of the video.
Once your AI completes a task and nails the result, you package it into a skill. One command, same result. Every time. The tool even tests the skill automatically before installing it. 4 separate workers check the output to make sure it's consistent before it ever goes live.
Cowork takes the task I already completed, builds a structured skill from it, tests it against a set of criteria, and installs it. The newer version of skills actually spins up 4 separate workers to evaluate the skill in parallel.
Before we continue, quick heads up. If you're watching this and thinking, I like the idea, but I want to see how this actually works in practice, I've linked a free training below. It breaks down the exact system and workflow we use, shows how it's already structured, and explains how people use it without having to figure everything out from scratch. If that sounds useful, the link's in the description. You can check it out anytime. Now back to the video.
Checking the output against the instructions to make sure it's consistent before it goes live. Once it's installed, I can trigger it anytime just by telling Cowork to run that skill, and it picks up the full workflow instantly without me re-explaining anything. And from here, I can attach that skill to a schedule.
Now you have a skill that works perfectly, Matt, but right now it only runs when you tell it to. The final step puts the whole thing on autopilot.
And it immediately creates a new task into the Scheduled Tasks tab showing the timing of when it'll run. One thing to keep in mind with scheduled tasks is that they only run while the desktop app is open and your computer is awake. If your machine goes to sleep, Cowork skips the run and catches up when the app reopens.
Attach any skill to a schedule. Monday 9 a.m. every weekday, every Friday afternoon. Whatever fits your workflow, the task runs automatically and delivers results to your output folder. One thing to keep in mind, your computer needs to stay on for scheduled tasks to run.
So if you want these running consistently, keep the app open on a machine that stays on. And if you want to trigger tasks while you're away from your desk, Anthropic recently launched Dispatch, which pairs your phone to your desktop through the Claude mobile app. You send a message from your phone, Cowork executes it on your computer, and the results come back to your.
That's the full AGANTS system. And if this feels like a lot to set up on your own, there's a faster way to get started without doing it all from scratch. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.